If someone's trying to sell you a hormone balancing detox, tea, supplement, pause. I need you to hear this. I'm Dr. Siva. Let's discuss what the marketing says hormone imbalance. It's not even a diagnosis, it's just a marketing phrase. Your hormones are meant to fluctuate. Estrogen, progesterone. They rise and fall across your cycle, and there are of course fluctuations around the perimenopause. That's how the body works. There are real hormonal conditions, PCOS, thyroid issues, premature ovarian insufficiency, perimenopause. But none of them is fixed with a 60-pound powder on someone's Instagram shop. And those conditions require a thorough history examination, targeted blood test, not a quiz, not a detox, not a seed cycling calendar. The red flags you have to watch for in those kind of marketing videos and from the social media. 1. They diagnose you through a quiz. 2. Their product magically fixes acne, fatigue, mood, weight gain, period, everything. Nothing does all that. 3. They claim doctors are hiding the truth. They don't know anything. Trust me, if something cures people, we would be prescribing that. Feeling tired, having heavy periods, skin changes, perimenopausal symptoms, these need a real history taking, bloods, and some imaging for certain gynecological conditions. Your money deserves better. So see a specialist. It could be a gynecologist, it could be an endocrinologist, it could be a women's health advocate. That's what we do here as doctors. So hormone balancing is the wellness industry's favorite buzzword. It clinically means nothing. So save this for the next time. And if someone tries to diagnose you and give detox powders, teas through the social media, be warned, be cautious. See a proper doctor